Hey loves, welcome to my channel. My name is Winnie Jean and today I'm going to show you guys exactly how I got this gorgeous curly cut on this closure wig. I know it looks like my hair, but it is not, okay? I'm kind of obsessed with how my hair came out, but I'm trying to chill. Today's video is sponsored by Beauty Forever. They sent me over this gorgeous curly closure unit and all the details about it will be down below in the description bar. The length, the density, the size of the closure, everything will be down there below in the description bar. And if you want to see exactly how I installed it to get this really natural look, then keep watching. So first things first, I went ahead and defined the curls on the hair. Everything is nice and dry. In order to get the curls nice and popping, I went ahead and co-washed the hair after I cut it. All right, so I have my braids done. I just kind of threw some braids in there. I need to wash my hair and I left out a little bit of my edges and I'm gonna show you guys why. So I left out a little bit of my edges so I can blend it with the unit. I didn't want to apply it as like a lace front or try to give it like a full lace vibe, which is what I normally do. So instead, I'm gonna show you guys how to make it look super natural by leaving a little bit of edges out. So I'm about to go ahead and just flat iron my edges really quick and then I'll come back and show you how I put the wig on. All right, so now that I have the edges kind of straight, I'm just going to brush them out of the way. You know what, I lied. I'm gonna go ahead and just curl them first. I'm in Mexico and it is hot, okay, as the devil's vagina in here, but that is okay. So I'm taking these really cute little mini flat irons. I think they're Conair Pro, yeah, Conair Pro minis. And I'm going to curl my edges going towards my face. Woo, it's hot. They don't have to be perfect at all. You just kind of want to mimic the same texture of the hair. If it was a kinky curly wig, honestly, I would just kind of leave my hair alone. But because it's like a little bit of a looser texture, I want to blend in the textures as good as possible. So I'm just giving her a quick little curl. My hair is super curly and kinky, so I had to flat iron it first, but if you have looser texture hair, you just go ahead and curl it straight out the bat. But yeah, if I would have curled her without straightening it first, it would have been a hot ass mess. A hot ass mess. And to get the curls, I'm kind of turning it once and then just kind of dragging it through. A lot of people don't know how to curl with the flat iron, but it's not hard at all. And as you can see, I am not trying to make it super perfect. I'm just adding a little something to it, a little wave to it, because you don't want to have straight edges in a curly wig. You also don't want to have super kinky edges in a curly wig, even though sometimes it works. Because I'm not gonna lie, I have been wearing this wig for maybe like 3 or 4 days, because I'm very passionate about curly hair and I didn't want to come on here and tell y'all to go buy some curly hair and then next thing you know you're gonna have a ball at the back of your neck. Like, I'm not gonna do y'all like that. So I tried it out for a few days just to make sure I really liked it, and when I tell you I love it, I'm kind of obsessed. Like, look at these curls. I hope y'all don't hear this really loud Mexican music in the background. Like I said, I'm in Mexico and one of my neighbors is having a good old time. I'm gonna go ahead and just apply the wig and add a little bit of music because I am not trying to get demonetized. But it's really straightforward. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to put them in like the comments, but it's super straightforward. So let's go ahead and get into applying our wig. After I've curled up my edges so that they match the same texture as the wig, then I'm gonna go ahead and pop my wig on, honey, right behind the hairline. And to kind of conceal the line of demarcation from where the closure starts and my hair ends, I used a little bit of black eyeshadow to just kind of shade in the lace a bit so that the part was really visible, but you can't see all up in here. I hope that makes sense. And then once I shaded in the hairline a bit so that it looked nice and natural, I just went ahead and laid my baby hairs. If you want, you can go in with like a pick or wide tooth comb like I did and kind of fluff the hair up a little bit, just because I like a lot of volume. I think that's what makes curly hair look natural. When I see people wear like curly hair kind of like moussed down and like, it's just not my vibe. Like this is my vibe. This is very much where the money resides for me. So yeah, it's a really, really simple process. The cut came out really, really good. And I love how I installed it behind the hairline. I think it looks so good, really, really natural. And it's perfect for where I am right now. This is perfect vacation hair, perfect vacation hair. And it's really, really low maintenance. All you have to do to get the curls back, I just co-wash the hair, wet the hair down, put some conditioner in it, brush it through, rinse it out, and then let it air dry. There's no product in this hair. I think I applied a little bit of oil to the hair, but there's no mousse or anything like that. This is just the natural curls. It's really, really soft. And as you can see, it's really full and big, and it's just light and bouncy. When like I'm walking, it like blows in the wind. It's a vibe. This hair is really, really pretty. So thank you again to Beauty Forever for working with me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I hope that you really, really like this one. If you're not subscribed yet, make sure you're subscribed, like this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. I love you.